50%. Igo ni ndole da karaga ntoki. Haya. Gono na ronde mubwato bakomu. Mubwato bakomu. Ninche nche kwe komanyene. Kwe karansa na inu tarobna bakomu utakobo tabtama. Mwanchile tawo karansa na inwe. Mwanchile tawo karansa na inwe. Ninche chiche. Ntatwa mangana yumu mubwato bakomu ogbo. Asa bore mabore. Tupogambe twins. Nase boronge bore. Tuwe ko boronge sawa. Lakini ase bono. Karanye soma. Na ano monye manye kili ense ya Kenya ni ense yokubwaterana. Ense ya Kenya ni ense yokubwaterana. Onye mumanyeti ase negere mochikopwati omubera namoko gende nchere yo mubera mochikopwati ase boronge bore moko nyoro boronge boro ase bono omugandu gwenseye Uhuru Kenyatta yorono narenge bunge special session okwanira mangane gete abwate kirenga yokubeka ense yamo nekirengi yokubeka ense yamo na asa manufaino ekiaronyo montanaro sagarete kirase numugusi no morembe jata tukubeka amo na singe jata kitabantu bamenyamo onye mutage tukomanyamo yorigere mamincha igente kya okwana umugandu wense ekiagera ekirenga kya ino kubeka abantu amo nando toire ribaga mutage tege toki tinda baiwa aya bono siasa na kwana na kibatata geti mbara mutageti siasa bono ninchengore ninchedige geti ganya kwana sawa mwanchenche na kwana sawa bas bono ase omongina Rose egento kyane na bategeke yonda koeti ngotangasa nandi na ruekende nandi na chanka ruekende lakini abanyari bari aba nimba tengana na ino ngocha kukwamba na ino naende karatiria nimaete mori ya sembo ikera nyasaba saseni oyo minto gabana nchwango kwanera abanyari bari aba yo bategete ngati kwana siasa lakini ninchenye kwane
abanyari bari abami ntumbi ya muri mutakora akira ke karakira bona njenda rakwana omuswati ominto omuswati ominto Rose n'abana bawo bonsi abana bo mugaka oriotonyorete kare mainya no mochibwonsi omainya banyari bari baminto bonsi esmwaika omoseneto ito mwakansigete mwakabwa masikania manene Professor Ambassador Ongeri omochumbo ito omujumbe bwe area Oyo Minto Machogu. The speakers who are here, there are about 2 or 3 speakers, led by the Speaker of the Kisii County Assembly. The MCAs who are here, and all my brothers and sisters. Omwano Minto pole, naende pole, Rose. Oyo Minto Musani ono tonyolire. Your husband was a great friend of mine. A real great friend of mine. I met him in 2013. No tu arenge patie monere. Na no na karago gichikura na ga tu ago etaga ga tu arego etanere. We did the same in 2017. Esabari yebuna abande bate birega iga. Nonye kere sabari ya mwanyamanto na bere sabari yobororo. Lakini natakamba tebinga especially problem ya monyora timo morigere ligo wali mwasoma in today's papers Imwarora, former president of Ghana, has left us. We had a president ya Burundi Olekoro Nkurusinsa, he left us. A president yense in this world, Trump weko manyene, nere he had a problem. A prime minister ya Great Britain, nene he had a problem. Neme chando ya chesi mwanya bantu, lakini yeso musani yona agenda, so mwano yo minto kwa agenda data. Ncheonda ago sabiru bune gavana ya Kisii kao niko kotebi ogende buya. Naende ogende na Nyasaye. Gotora agunta getengo tebi iga mainya. Omosani yoros after 2 weeks. Ekerati mukire. Igonta geteko ira naga iga inchebono ngojikobe MCA ya ga iga kiamo kama paka mwanyoliro montonde. Rose omogako na abwate very many requests. Aba MCA ababonsi bacha iga kero yomo abwate ti request kiaye. Babeke iga obate mo bategerere kero yomo igo mogo bategerere for a whole day. Lakini your husband was special. He had, for instance, mangana ya boli gwa roads, yongo chagocha iga inche bweko manyene ngo chagotara buna acting MCA paka mwachori romuntu. And I'm going to give you 2 or 3 weeks ora atimoka, then I will come here. Machogo, I'll also let you know when I'm coming. Mwako ngeli na ningotevi. Having said that, nchetigamba tevi gabanyali bali baminto. Say tomboge tutu. Na abere governor bono for 8 years. And you people have been good to me. For this county, Kisii County, I've tried my best. Kuibeke map ya Kenya. Kenya yebuna toyero cheiga. Only the other day, is about 2 weeks ago, a president and the entire country was here. They were here in Kisii. Na ende oba ajiteiga igana into bakatobeke map ya Kenya. Abantu balego bakakorwa USA, abande bago from everywhere. And because of that, there are very many development initiatives. We went to State House to avoid Machaguchipara, Paranchire Chindo promise Rami, but this is the wrong place to say it. Esa ulituwa rekobuati president yutu tuanjete, oyomu kongeli areko bateviga. He has promised us a number of roads, tarmac roads, Gusii County Jones. And they are going to be done. So, Tigatomo Akere Mbiamono and to Akere National Government in Mbiamono. Esega, Governor Tuacha, the county Aitoya Kisii. Kisii is a great county. Kisii, to Abeire no Obomo for the last 8 years. Obama who is not going to break down. Omo oyo mintoros aba MCA bate naga igamba teba about a problem, an existing problem. Uno muga kongeli ateba. There is nothing that cannot be resolved. Nchebune governor na onye problem weike the county assembly. But I'm a chief executive of this county. Nchebune governor, goja kuikaranatore, and we will make sure that we resolve it. Esa mangana ya bate banga tobu atigas, kokora those 2 weeks, ocho chiche. Na endo mundo wakoreta no ngeli na robu ata majianda sana. Majianda yonye kujabuata boronge, chore to muswati after 2 weeks. No iguete. Moreta abisi, nyo 2 weeks yonye tarati mukana boko moreta after 3 weeks. We will be able to sort out. There is nothing that cannot be resolved. Again, the Kyoka Ntabatebiga, Keringa, Karago, Jangingo, Komokole, Kiara, Kulikawata, Mugavana, Chiete, Sebiraga, Kuanaiga. Mojimo Morete, Vintavio, Muabu, Riana, Bigua, and I'll sort them out. Moiguete Igobaba, Rose, Manyanga, Mogako, yo. No more Korengo Montomia, and we will not forget in Tokumuebantu Nabarai. It will be unfair to do so. Mbakwa Naigoroya Bana Mba promise Korwes Eskuru leaders Vandembare Machogungua promise na Nchebune governor ya Kisii County as a person unongwae. Na inche onko teba nganyore omwana oyi for the next year bana mbabero bwata tinko mago semba bero semba tatu abana ubande batigara come to me kerogo I'll be able to tell you what I'm going to do as Ongwae, not even as a governor, because this was a great friend of mine. Esaba chumbe baito mwako itongeli no mo chumbe machogo Timo baise kuobo ako gamba na abana abaminto balega na bagaka baminto na bangina baminto about the future of this country. Kenya is a great country. Naende nchonko batebianga ngonyo muntu naroro lire bintu. Naende orebo korora busio. Omoga kongeri karansta no yo muano yo muabo machogorega. These are people who are able to see far. Ntobuata mangana ya bakuana yumogo kuana mangana mange gai gaba kusintu anako ayerera mangana ekerenga kiego cha goika onye mbibia you will come here. We will go to Kitutu Chache North, Kitutu Chache South, togende Bubasi, togende South Mugirango, togende Bunchari. We will go everywhere, and we will be able to give a constitution to this country that is not for us who are alive. A constitution teri yabantu bali bali moyo. A constitution is for posterity. Ekiagera ntunaba etitole nseyi. Ekina kinta getemba te yabantu baminto bagusi. A constitution is for the future, for our children and our children's children and the children of our children's children. That is what we are looking for. And that's what you mwako yarko batebigaiga. Because to ayera mangana to ganya at the right time, and I know you listen to us as leaders. Eso yo minto esa mangana ya development. Esense moya ga ige wadi na teba. Tando na tebire. Na muancha na mutancha. Ngo chande ga ngo da kora akitia ke ngo itana na ga bune MCA. Mangana yonsi dinya igwete. Kwa igure mangana yonsi nyi go nin change chega. Lakini let me say this, ekiara ntu achiete nya cheki. Ke tu achiete nya cheki I went and acted na bakorete bintu ba korete, and I'm going to come here, I'll do the same. But let me tell you this, on the broader development, a county yaito. A county yaito, we have tried our best. In all the areas, youths we have one of the best stadiums in the country. In fact, the third best. After Nyayo and Kasarani, then you come to Kisii County. and very many other things even on health services. So we'll try our best moving forward. Na ndiko torea matoko kuwa na amo. Ndegwa, you saw my MCAs here. These are very good people. I've worked very well with them over the last 8 years. These are reasonable people. And please don't be worried about whatever else. These are people who reason. They will be able to reason out and be able to do whatever they have to do. Esensemo ya Rose na bana bao. Leaders ya mwachaga, especially members of the county assembly, amwabu atama jianda. Nchebono ndagete komekie commitment nga mwenzi. Kwanye mwabu atama jianda ya mwabu ata. Ndagete keroyo muino. Acharu at the end of this month was almost na abaire 2 months. Keroyo momo contribute 20,000 which is mine. Moigwete. Ncharu give 100,000. Tuanchira nire. Ngenje mwacha ati ngakimwakira kanda itinera motebe igmoka mwezi motebe mangana mwanchira nire. Ngakimwaira ngoraiga. Mwanchira nire. Tene nambara orenga mwanchira nire na ende toba sabere nga moche mu rukibese cyotenena. Mwanchira nire. Mbiya mono igo aye ongeri nonuko inubabere inumoko make sure nga kitongole kikero mu MC oruwe 20,000 nanche ninche ndwe miyeyemo baranche sekiko tenjo monno boninche make sure barure wose bono baakere chinko bingamba ate bar no atira matanga esaba minto gotogo kolera echae motagete farmers bechae karigerie mechando ya ino kareta munya diribune chibesa chia sogete inje narenge among the first counties. I think no achete gari tangani ikiara chibesa tu was very low mu amoroche na acheta kabarange likoruga mu atomete representatives go chabosongo to ekarantenere to kaigwa nanga moving forward. There must be very serious reforms moigwete and we are working on it in Komorande next week. Echa ina injeni nzimegete 20 acres oborombu ate oborobonge mononda ntabaise ko batebi igo ai munya na cheta wali muarengo muaro bunako gambo mutienyi toraera. And I'm going to make sure, and I told him next week no bisi ayende ekiagera tuagende konyora chibe chinke sana buna bali mbecha. And that's why I brought him here to Kisii moka kwana bangina barengo muakwanete. And I'm aware nga muakwante kero muarengo igo kimuranche. I'll be able to follow that on your behalf. Ikiana kieko na murusti Nairobi kamareta pakagaiga in Kisii igo tigankorerega agunko boring agingo kora ntaragenda ntagete tokora small arambe mwate batokora arambe gasinini gagosebona kimuranche mware gochaga mware koreta ebe na nerongori naende timaeti pastor goso kware gotusabira tutarakora pastor tusabire tokore akarambe bwango kera abana nabe kero basokire gana ndo barasiko nechibeza.
Sawa tuombe. Baba wetu na Mungu wetu, katika jina la Yesu tunakushukuru kwa umbali ambao umetuleta. Imefika nafasi ambayo umesema kwamba tukafarijiane katika njia hii zaidi ya mno, Mungu wetu, kupitia actions zile ambazo zinaweza kutufanya kuwa watu ambao tunaimanisha yale tunayoyasema kwa ndimi. Sasa wapendo wako wamejitayarisha ili tukatoe sehemu ya mifuko yetu, ili kwamba Mungu wetu tukaweze kufariji familia hii. Ninataka kuomba kwa kila mfuko na mkono ule ambao utatoa, kwa jina la Yesu Kristo. Ewe Mungu, ukatusawishi kila mmoja wetu ili tukaweze kutoa kwa moyo wa upendo, maana utoaji sio utajiri bali ni moyo, katika jina la Yesu Kristo aliye Bwana na mkombozi wetu. Amen.
Igonta gete bono ntagete kimuranje mwanze contributions ontagete leader of majority otogaidio ochega iga mubekera ini bwango bwange gende taikaya muyo katwa koli njebwe ko manyene ongo chaka ne chibe cyane
Alright. Asante sana mpenzi mtazamaji wa Inka TV. Wakati governor wa Osakora wa Erongori vile vile
2000 leader of majority 10,000 Kurwana Reboyongo Nyamweyanero the governor 10,000 shillings Chief Whip 1,000 Mutungo the Basi 1,000 Oyo Mintongeli 1,000 2,000 Soro Mutungo the 1,000 Mutungo the 1,000 Biyenga 2,000 Oyo Minta Poko 2,000
Willy Menda sahi watu uko nje bwana
Mutungo Gorboge 1,000.
Alright, asante sana mano mwancho odigeti Inka TV. Chingeke chiga na chio batagete chikorusia kurwase ema badare kumuira uchikomuteleka kama muna intumba kachinga kichio moelio niga kuondoka umuchikoro Nyamara. Gendera kutubwatia ase our social media Inka TV, Facebook, Inka TV, YouTube na babatonora ase Instagram on the same biyamono ase oli mwanzi pengera kugireria nere governor yaito nigo wakuru muchango obo ase ncherengia biyamono ase mwanzi mugana kugireria biyamono ase mwanzi bali ogata go subscribe genda go subscribe for better and good viewing. Asante sana. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Kwa sasa hivi tunakata tunaelekea kule kwa mheshimiwa na pale utapata live stream nyingine pale. Na pia tunaomba radhi kwa yale ambao yamekuwa kifanyika. Kumekuwa na kukatika katika sana kwa live stream kwa sababu ya mvua imenyesha ambao ni heavy sana. Na pia network haikuwa nzuri, kwa hivyo stima ndio imekuwa ikileta taswishi, lakini asante sana kwa sababu mmekuwa pale, mmekuwa nasi mwanzo hadi mwisho. Behind the camera alikuwa anaitwa ni Mark Knight Brian, nami naitwa Omochikoro Nyamara. Bye bye, tupatane pale kwa next viewing akiwekwa kwa udongo. Bye bye for now. God bless you. Nendelea kusubscribe na pia zidi kupatiana ujumbe kwamba MCA ameshalala, sasa anaenda kupumzishwa. Kwaheri. Tunaomba waheshimiwa Kabala na wengine ndio wataenda kule na